Okay, hello students. So today we are going to learn about ion, the principle of electron arrangement. Um, yeah, for chapter 8, chapter A, element and substance. Today we are going to learn about the electron arrangement of an atom. So just now we already learned that atom is the smallest particle. Okay, as we learned, for the atom, we learned that atom is the smallest element. But in the atom, there is even smaller thing. In an atom, there are electron, and then nearer to the center is proton and neutron. And we need to learn how to draw this. How to draw this? First, we need to look at how many electron it has. So how do I know the electron it have? The exam will give you the periodic table. So this table do not need to memorize. No need to memorize. Some students will memorize this table if they are hardworking, but you do not need to memorize this because it's given in your exam. Hey, I'm not sure. You ask your teacher. Sometimes I confuse between IGCSE and SPM. But if whether this thing will give out or not, you ask. Oh yeah, not given out in your exam. Not given out. But anyway, even not given out, you should know a few famous one. Okay, like oxygen is at here, chlorine is at here, fluorine is at here. Famous one famous thing, hydrogen. How to know famous one? I also don't know. You need to do a lot of exercise You do a lot of exercise, then you know that which one is the famous one. But I tell you first, so maybe you will help you a little bit. Oxygen, fluorine, bromine, the one that you always study, sulfur, maybe helium, zinc, metal. Where is my zinc? Metal is here. Copper is here, zinc is here, oxygen. So these are the few famous ones you need to know. Iodine is here. Okay. Hydrogen, potassium, sodium. This one also is important on my left side. That one usually exam will come out. This one even won't come out. Okay. But up one, sometimes because I scared they ask you the question, they just draw a box, then they ask you to fill in what is that, and you need to say what is that. That is a difficult thing. That's why I highlight the fill box for you, just in case you want to see it. So, in an atom, there are electron, proton, and neutron. If you want to draw out, let's say this is a sulfur. Sulfur got how many? Sulfur. Where's my sulfur? Can I find sulfur at here? S. Here, sulfur. Let me erase this. Too many words. It's not clear. So from this table, we can see, it's the same like what we see. Sulfur is here. So we can see sulfur is, you can see here 16S sulfur 32.06. Usually you don't need to remember 32.06 and 286, but you need to know 16. 16, what does it mean? 16, it means the atomic number. So we can see here, the first top is the atomic number, the second one is the symbol, and the third is the name. I like this website, you can even press sulfur and then it will tell you what is sulfur. And like for example, if you want to see oxygen, so you can press oxygen and why I cannot press then you can press here, then it will give you the definition for oxygen. So I like this website very much. For sulfur, so sulfur usually do what we do for Many things we want to do. But sulfur is 16. 16 proton, atomic number also 16 proton. It also mean, wow, so high-tech one this one. Wow, I like this website very much. You see, got even this thing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Where was I? Sulfur got 16 proton. So we know it got 16. Let's look back at the notes. 16. Is it 16? Let's check whether the book is correct or not. Let's count. 1, 2. Why not nice one the color? Can I use black color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here got 16 electron. Dang. This is correct. If you draw 17, you will get wrong. If you draw 15, you will get wrong. So just in case the question asks you to draw the electron, how you know? You need to refer to the periodic table, where the periodic table say that it is 16. The periodic table say that it is 16. Let's say if oxygen, the question asks you, draw the electron arrangement for oxygen. So let's try to draw oxygen. Let's draw the oxygen. Okay, I just follow like this one. Bit no enough space. Then I try my best to draw oxygen. I write here O lah, oxygen. But O is very confusing because O is like a circle, so it makes people confused. So maybe anyway, it's okay lah. Oxygen. So you draw this one. Step 1, draw circle. Oxygen got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, draw nicely a bit lah. So this is the electron configuration. Not electron configuration. This is the electron arrangement for oxygen. Let's try another one. Let's draw what? Let me see the periodic table. Let's try to draw choose something that I like. Okay lah, I like aluminium. Okay, so aluminium is 13. Let's try to draw 13. So let's try to draw 13. No place for me to draw. So let's zoom in. No worries. How to zoom in? I press here lah. Okay, 13. Aluminium. So I just write Al 13. The first one will be only 2. 1, 2. The second one maximum can put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. I still need to draw. Just now how many already for the aluminium? 17 is it? Aluminium is how many already? Aluminium is 13. 13. You can see here 13. 13 at here. So let's do 13. So we already have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to draw 3 more. So let's draw 3 more electrons. 1, 2, 3. So I get it correct already. 30. Okay, when student will do wrong? Let's try an example. Student do wrong at drawing. Student will do wrong, for example, if they do like this. AL 1, 2. 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, if you draw like this, you will get this wrong because the second shell, the round thing, the shell, got two shell, it is only for 8 only. You cannot draw 10. So if you want to easier to understand, maybe we can know that the period differing to the number of shells. So you can see that aluminum is period 3. You can see or not? Period 1, period 2, period 3. So there must be 3 shells. Let's say you see this one, sodium. Sodium is, where's my sodium? Here, sodium is 11. So you know that it's 3 shell. 281, you can see here. Wow, very good at this website. Here, let me draw 281. 281 means what? For example, sodium Na. 281. 1. Here is 281. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So this is 281. Aluminium, just now that I draw, is 283. Correct or not? 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outside the shell, 1, 2, 3. 283 is aluminium. Let's see the website. Where is it? 283 for aluminium. Aluminium, you can see here 283. Understand or not? If oxygen, it will be 26. So that is why when we draw the oxygen, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2.6. So you understand or not how to draw? You need to calculate the electron and then you need to draw it according to the number of shell and proper number of electron in each shell. So you need to understand how many electron to draw in the shell. Can you understand or not? Yeah, okay, so I hope you can understand because exam might ask you to draw. So if you cannot draw or you cannot read the drawing, so you cannot do. And the 2.6 or 281 or 283 is actually same with the number of proton. For example, let's take back the periodic table. Let's say we use back aluminium, for example. 283, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, you get back 13. Let's do again the sodium. 281, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Let's do oxygen. Oxygen is 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Of course, in your exam, they won't give you the electron arrangement. They won't give you this side. So they only give you the left side. So you need to imagine the what? For example, like CR. Okay, for example, CR exam will come out, you see 2, 8, 8, 13, 1. If you want to draw, it's very big, So for SVM, maximum is only until 8 only, okay? Just take another example, like for example, sulfur 286, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 6 still 16, 16. Exam won't give out this side, so you just need to draw or imagine in your brain. Okay, where was I? Let's look back the notes. Okay, so now we know how to draw already. How to draw how many elite 东西. We know how to draw how many electron by referring to the atomic number in the periodic table. The atomic number of the periodic, the number in front, atomic number or the proton number. You just need to divide it and then you get it. Okay. Where was I? Okay, so now we know how to draw already. First shell is always 2 electron, 8. This one you no need lah, no need. I mean, it can be 18, but in your exam they won't ask 18 unless they modify the syllabus, but I don't think so. Okay, because 18 you need to draw many, even biology class physics, chemistry, biology, they also don't draw 18. So I doubt that for science class you need to draw 18. So this thing is called the shell. Okay, the proton is equal to electron. It is no charge neutral, and that is the shell. Shell means what? One shell, two shell, three shell. Okay, so there are first shell, second shell, third shell. Okay, moving on for myself. So how does something become positive and negative? How does something become positive or negative? I see this is also very difficult to teach, so listen carefully, because I mean, as a teacher also I feel it's difficult to explain. Some of the picture is not clear, so I hope that you can understand. Let's try. Why something become positive or negative? The thing can become positive or negative if positive means proton more than electron. If negative means electron more than proton. For example, magnesium. Magnesium is supposed to be 282, which is actually 12 proton number. So magnesium, if you look at the periodic table, there will be 12 proton, there will be 10 electron. 10 electron pula. 12 electron, because it's usually the same. Okay, in magnesium actually have 12 proton and 12 electron. And for the magnesium, this magnesium, if you can see, and you can see, it has 12 proton and 10 electron. So which one is more, proton more or electron more? For this side, which one is more, proton or electron? Okay, yeah, so it's proton more. More by how many? More by 2. More by 2. Because 12 proton, 10 electron. More by 2, that's why you can see here is 2 positive. Here it says that it gives up 2 electron. So one thing you need to know is proton cannot move forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Proton number cannot change, because if you can change the proton number means you can change the element. If you can change the elements means you are God already. What does it mean? For example, gold. Where is gold? Gold is Au. This is gold. I cannot see the proton number. Let's look at this periodic table. Gold is Au. 79. 79 is the proton number of gold. And let's say mercury is 80. If I can change, I'll be rich, because I just need to buy a lot of mercury, because mercury is easily get. I just need to buy a lot of thermometer, and then I just take one proton out, then I get the gold 79. That I'll be the richest person in the world. I just can convert mercury into gold. So can I do that? Cannot. Okay, unless you are God lah, or you do magic. But we know that it is so far in science that we understand. They can change, but it's other topic lah. We don't. But it's almost impossible to change the even 80 and 79 is just one proton number. You cannot take the proton out, because proton cannot change. If you can change means you'll be very rich already. If one day you learn how to change, please tell me, so I want to change all my mercury to gold. So proton number cannot change, but only electron can change. Only electron. So remember that proton cannot move, only electron can move. So according to this example that we have, magnesium, the proton is always the same. If you put it 13, then it is not magnesium already, it will be other thing already. The element will change. So 12 proton and 12 proton will never ever change. I cannot erase this thing already, never mind. This thing and this thing cannot change. The only change is the electron. 12 electron to 10. So again, proton more than electron by 2, positive more than negative, so it will be positively charged. Let's say if I draw like this, can I do magnesium negatively charged? Cannot, I cannot do magnesium negative. Let's take another example, chlorine. So chlorine got how many proton? 17 proton. Chlorine got 17 proton and 17 electron. And then here, chlorine, it has 17 proton, as I mentioned. Proton always cannot change, only the electron, but the electron already becomes 16. If not, you count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you got 17 electron. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, got 18 already, sorry. 18. So from 17 electron, it had become 18. So it has more. So I write here. Wait, let me erase this one so that it will be clearer a bit. Eraser. Okay. So here will be 18 electron. So what is more? Positive more or negative more? So we know that negative is more by how many? By 1. 18 minus 17 is 1. Okay, please don't ask me that. Okay, 18 minus 17 is 1. Negative 1 because electron. So it got extra 1 electron. I just put short form E negative. Exam, please don't do like that. Okay, extra of 1 electron. So electron more than proton, therefore it is negatively charged. How many additional charges? 1. This one, how many charge? 2, because 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, so that is why you get 2, and it's 2 positive because proton minus electron is negative. So yes, I hope that you can understand this first. Then remember, proton cannot move, only electron can move. Okay, now we need to learn how to draw. Oh my goodness, why this chapter is so long? Okay, you just need to draw this. I think this one already learned how to draw. Then you need to draw this as well. Okay, I mean, not that too hard because 10 electron means it's 2, 8 lah, because 2 plus 8 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it becomes from 282 become 2.8. I think the easiest way is to draw first because I don't know what the exam will ask. Because the exam can give you the picture, then the exam asks you, tell me what is the charge now. So the charge now is 2 positive. Okay, that is one way that the exam can ask. Or the exam can ask, the magnesium lose 2 electron. Please draw the picture. Please tell the charge. So okay, so let's say the question is like this. Okay, the question say that he say that let's take eraser first. Okay, let's take example. The question say that he only give magnesium and magnesium, and then he didn't give you this picture, so you don't know. So you need to draw. The question say magnesium atom is 12 electron. However, the magnesium give 2 electron. He won't use give lah, he give donate, but I just want to make it like a story so that you understand. Okay, he want to give away 2 electron. Question number 1A, please draw the diagram. Question number 2B, 1B, please write out the charges. So of course it's very easy. I just draw a circle, circle, circle. Then I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because the question say here is 12 ma. then you give 2 electron, I minus 2, I get 10. So I know I need to only draw 10. So I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I put a bracket, positive or negative. Obviously, it is positive. Why? Because proton more than electron. This is the people confused. Sometimes students confused. I want to put positive or negative because I put negative lah. Because donate mah. Donate means I give already. Give already means I got no money already. No money means negative. So you will get it wrong because the answer is positive. So that is why I say it is important to understand that the proton cannot move, only electron can move. So now you give away the electron already. So which one more? Proton more or electron more? Proton more than electron. So that is why I put plus here. Plus by how many? 12 minus 2, because the question says give 2 electron. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 electron. So I draw 10. 2 go to where? 2, I just write here 2. Okay? And then if the question asks you, please write out the electron configuration, the arrangement of electron. So it's 2.8. Yeah, that will be how you do it. 2.8. Yeah, so it's not easy. Actually, if I'm teaching you live, I will ask you to draw. I will give you some question, but because it's just online, so I cannot give you to access for an exercise. But he also didn't ask you to draw. Maybe the exam won't ask you to draw, is it? Anyway, I already teach. Okay, any question? Okay, then if no question, let's try to do a few questions. State the position of the following element in boron periodic table. State the position of the element. So what is the position of lithium, silver, helium, and gold? So I do number 1 first. You try to do B, C, D. Lithium. Let's look at the periodic table. Lithium is Li. So you can see Li. Group 1, the position is group 1. Can you see or not? Here got 1. Group 1, period 2. You can see or not? Lithium is at period 2. So the answer for lithium is group 1, period 2. Okay? For silver, helium, and gold, can you tell me the answer? So we can see in the periodic table, silver is at Ag. So it's 11, group 11, period 5. Very good. So it will be group 11, period 5. Group 11, period 5. How about helium?
1.
18 and 1. Let's see. Helium, group 18 and period 1. So let's write it here. That's it. Group 18, period 1. How about gold? See, gold. Gold is here, 79. Group 11, period 6. Very good. Group 11, period 6. Okay. So I'll be teaching until here. Okay, so no question there. I see you next week, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I see you next week. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.